Hey, how's everybody doing? So, we're going to be very fast here. This is just a test run. What we are doing is we have a virtual assistant, a brand new virtual assistant, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this test run project. Hopefully, if you get it right, you can definitely stick around for the team. So I thought I would just show you this. So, what I want to show you the end result first. Okay, this is what we're going to be doing here. And this right here, in fact, let me bring the screen up a little bit. So we are in the Home Snap Leads tab of our leads to complete Excel list. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to the very bottom here. See, we got quite a few addresses. All right. So we're going to come to the very bottom here. And as you can see, the top, this first column was the targeted address. That's where our Home Snap address is going to be going into. So there are a few more steps on this particular project, but what I want you to do is just pay attention to the Home Snap address that I have and to put it into just this column right here. As far as the owner's names and their billing address, that is a completely different website to do. Let's test you out here first, see if you can get the target addresses in properly. Then I'll take you along the steps for the rest of that. So, I'm not sure how good that camera is right now, but we're going to try to make it work here. See, we've got some more going on in that text message, and we'll just have to respond to that later. All right, so here we go. So, Home Snap. So, whenever you get into Home Snap, you're going to go to homesnap.com. And when you sign in, it's going to ask for my password. Make sure you Slack me. Hit me up on Slack for the password. I'll give you the proper password. But what are you going to be doing? Basically, bring this tab over here. You're going to go into the Me column right here. As soon as you sign me in fact, just to give you guys, so you know from the very, very beginning exactly what it looks like. Allow me to sign out so this can be from the very beginning for you. Yes, I want to sign out. All right, so you're going to go to homesnap.com. I want you to sign in. My information, I'll give you that password. We're going to sign in. As soon as you sign in, you're going to go to the Me tab. When you go to Me tab, you're going to go to, I believe, My Favorite Homes. And these are all the addresses. Well, these are all the properties that I've taken a photo of that I would like for you to get the information on. Let me make sure and just, because I like to kind of triple check a lot of these things. So we're going to go to My Home Snap. We've got edit photo, edit information. No, we really don't need any of that. Yeah. So we're going to go to My Favorite Homes. Go to My Favorite Homes. And we're just going to run down this entire list right here, guys. So we've got one right here, 801 East Mission Street. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me bring that screen over here. We've got 801 East Mission Street, Crowley, Texas. So this is what you're going to be doing. You're literally going to copy. We're going to go into our leads to complete. Remember, we're under the Home Snap leads. All we're going to do is paste it. That is literally it. We go right back to the next address. We go right back to Me. We go right back to the next address. 720 East Mission Street. We pick that up. We copy that. We go to our Leads to Completes tab right under our Home Snap. And we literally just paste that. That's all you're going to be doing. So this is the job. I want you to go into the Me file. All right, just so you remember, we go to, when you click on the Me, you're going to go to My Favorite Homes. You're going to go through all these files here and just put the address into our Leads to Completes into the first cell. You're just going to copy and paste. So we want to get all those done. Should be about 20 to 25 addresses here. However many that is, I want you to get that done. So whenever you get that done, I want you to respond back to me on Slack. We'll make sure that you get it done right. Then we'll take you to the next step. All right. So that is it on here. This is a quick video. Just wanted to tell you guys, this is a great way to get VAs to do what they love best, which is data entry. But I hope this helps everybody out. I hope this helps you out as well, team. Let me know if you have any questions. You guys have been awesome. Bye-bye.